Good morning. Today for breakfast, I think I'm going to do some steel cut oatmeal with some bananas in it. And I'm going to cook all this with my Jetboil because it's just so easy. So let's get started. For this, I'm going to use my Jetboil Flash, but I'm not going to be using this container. Next, of course, you're going to need some water, fuel for the Jetboil, I'm going to be cooking the oatmeal in this Optimus pot. It's also kind of got the Jetboil set up where it boils water really, really quick. And then, just some accessories to go along with it, which we've got salt, got some instant coffee, banana, of course, spork, and then we got butter, oatmeal, and some sweetener, which I use Swerve. I'm starving, so I need to get this water boiling before I perish and die. All in all, this oatmeal took me 5 minutes to put together. The water boiled instantly. Just had to wait for the oatmeal to soak it all up. I love this pot. I'll link it in the description. I'm sure it works exactly like a Jetboil pot that is comparable. I got this one before I got the Jetboil, and then I realized that I can use it. So I'm using it. I actually got this so that I could cook, what was it? Oh, broccoli for some side dishes we were doing when we were camping. It's definitely a big enough pan to feed a few people. If you need to make some chili or some soups or whatevs. I'm going to be doing an overnight in this tarp shelter in the next day or two, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Lots of camping adventures coming up in the coming weeks. Well, that's it for me, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.